Hello everyone, this is John Harvey and you're watching Real Cebu Video Blogs. I'm at the Pacific Mall in Mandaue. And this is where you can find the Department of Foreign Affairs office, where passport applications and passport renewals are done. Okay, I will be giving you some tips on how to make it quick. I was just done finishing my passport renewal. It took me just less than 10 minutes, but I actually had an online appointment as early as March of this year. So I scheduled it for July. Don't expect to have your passport appointment a month after the day you went online, because normally it takes like 3 or 4 months. That's the schedules are really full, right? And just a few tips: they don't have walk-ins anymore for standard walk-ins anymore if you would like to have your passport renewed. But there are some exceptions, like if you're a government employee, and if you are a senior citizen, children below 7 years old, and if you are an OFW with contract, that also exempts you from having to get an online appointment. So you can come here without any appointment at all if you are included on one of those lists. And just an update, I was just told that solo parents don't have to do online booking as long as they have the solo parent ID from DSWD. So that's one good thing. And another very important thing, if you are going to book or to schedule an appointment online, is that you you only should use Yahoo and Gmail. For some reason, there are some technical issues which causes a few problems with other email websites or domains. So they can only accommodate those emails using Yahoo or Gmail. All right. So your question is, the usual question of people is, if I am not able to make it to the appointment, what's going to happen? Will I be blocked from the appointment process for months or years, or will I be totally blocked? All right, the answer I just got from there is that you will be blocked for just 1 month, and you can then have another appointment scheduled after a month or 30 days. So it's not 6 months or years, just 1 month. But if you can make it on time, so much the better. I was informed that you can come as early as an hour before your scheduled appointment, or an hour after. They can give you a leeway an hour after. Trust me, it's very quick. It will only cost you 950 pesos for 20 working day processing. That's tentative. It could be longer than that if there are some issues with your requirements. If you want it expedited 10 working days, you'll have to pay 1,200 pesos. All right. So these are just a few tips for you to renew your passport. There are requirements. I will be posting the link of the website. Oh, that's the link there of the website, dfa.gov.ph, for all the requirements that are needed. One more thing, passports now. If you just got your passport like a few years back, like 5 or 6 years. If your passport starts with an E, that's already an electronic passport. You will only need, if you're renewing your passport, you will only need a photocopy of the front page of the passport and the back page. But if your passport is like the green colored passport, like the machine readable passport, let me just check. Machine readable passport, you will need an NSO birth certificate. Should be original, and a valid ID. A valid ID, I will include also what are the valid IDs that are allowed. And if you're married, especially for women, you will need the NSO marriage certificate. So just a few tips. And if you're going to come here to Mandaue, well, I was from ID Park to get here. I left ID Park at 3:05 in the afternoon. I got here like 3:20. It was very quick. Why? How I did that? I rode the habal-habal for just 80 pesos, okay? I discourage you from taking a taxi or bringing your car and rushing towards the Pacific Mall, because traffic is heavy for the moment here in Mandaue. So if you'd like to make it quick, take the habal-habal. All right. If you like this page, if these tips of mine helped you a little bit, please like the page and share so that other people can get some tips on how to renew their passport here at the Pacific Mall Department of Foreign Affairs. Thank you very much for watching.